Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to dive into the world of hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel. Hyperlinks can be powerful tools for making your Excel spreadsheet more interactivity and user-friendly. Whether you want to link to external website, other documents or different sheets within your workbooks, we have got you covered. So what exactly are hyperlink in Excel? Well, a hyperlink is like a clickable link that can take you to another location within the same worksheet and another worksheet or external website or even another documents. They are fantastic for navigation and data organizations. Let's start with creating hyperlinks to websites. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, if I want to use the hyperlink in here, first select the cell and go to the Insert tab and click the link in there. You can easily hit on the OK, or you can just right click and use the links. So it will pop up the same dialog box. Now enter the website, like here. First one, we need to select the website is existing file or web page. So if I type here the Wikipedia, then you can also use the text to display as a screen tips. You can use here like click, or here click to more. I can just say, then hit on the OK. Now here we found it. Now it's clickable, and when you press click and hold the select cell with this, you can easily link and you can go to the Wikipedia organizations. Okay. Now if you want to link in your document or internal or in the workbook another sheet, by the same way, go to the link and use the place in this document. And if you do have another sheet, so you can use it there, or you can use the different range. So if I'm gonna say this will be L and say the 12, then here sheet 1 and hit on the OK. Okay, when I click hover, now you can see it takes me into the here. Okay, this you can easily link with the other sheet or other document. Okay, so this wraps up our tutorial on hyperlink in Excel. Hyperlinks are versatile tools that can enhance the functionalities and interactivity of your spreadsheet. Use them to connect to website, to file different sheets with your workbook. So thanks for watching.